Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Every professional designer has a visual signature, a set of effects that appear consistently across their work, creating instant brand recognition. Photoshop's layer style presets let you encode that signature once and apply it everywhere. Build your complete layer style. Drop shadow, stroke, bevel, gradient overlay combined precisely. Then open the Styles panel under Window, Styles. Click the New Style button and name it descriptively. Premium Gold Badge, Neon Button Active, or Editorial Pull Quote. That preset now lives permanently in your Styles panel. Apply it to any new layer with a single click. The entire effect stack transfers instantly. Share the preset file with your team via a .asl export, ensuring visual consistency.